Hello Kenta friends! In this video, we will dive into the features and functionalities of Music Cutter Ringtone Maker, Ringtone Music Cutter, and Mp3 Cutter Pro. Whether you're looking to customize your ring or edit your favorite songs, these apps have got you covered. Let's explore the world of music cutting together. Music Cutter Ringtone Maker. Music Cutter Ringtone Maker is a versatile application that offers users the ability to cut and create ringtones from their music files. Whether you want to use a specific portion of a song as your ringtone or create a unique alert tone, this app provides the tools to make it happen. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily select the desired section of the music, trim it to your liking, and set it as your ringtone or notification sound. Additionally, Music Cutter Ringtone Maker allows you to merge multiple cuts into a single file, offering further customization options. Ringtone Music Cutter. Ringtone Music Cutter is a handy tool for users looking to customize their phone's sound alerts. With this app, you can easily edit and cut your favorite songs or music tracks to create unique ringtones or notification tones. The intuitive interface makes it simple to select the exact part of the song you want to use, adjust the duration of the cut, and save it as a new MP3 file. Ringtone Music Cutter also gives you the option to adjust the volume of the cut segment, allowing for personalized and seamless audio transitions. Mp3 Cutter Pro. Mp3 Cutter Pro is a comprehensive application designed for editing and enhancing MP3 files on your Android device. With this app, users can precisely cut and manipulate their music files with ease. Whether you need to trim a song for a specific purpose or merge multiple segments into a cohesive track, Mp3 Cutter Pro offers a range of editing options. Users can set precise start and end points for their cuts, apply audio effects like fade in and fade out, and adjust the overall quality and format of the output file. This app is ideal for users who want to create custom MP3 files tailored to their preferences and needs. Thank you for watching video on the best music cutter applications for Android. We hope you found this information helpful in finding the perfect tool to customize your music files. Stay tuned for our next video.